What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and if you just picked up the iPhone XR, one of the first things that you'll want to do is to throw on a screen protector and protect that investment. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the full lineup of Ranvu screen protectors and even some of their screen protector friendly cases. Let's go ahead and get started. The first screen protector that we're going to look at here, this is the best value. This is the 3-pack. So you're going to get 3 screen protectors for only $9.99. Now, one thing that I really like about Ranvu, they include an alignment tool for all of their screen protectors, so it makes it almost impossible to mess this up. You're also going to get some accessories here that make installing the glass screen protector super easy. So you've got a cleaning wipe, you've got a wet and dry cleaning wipe, and a sticker to get all the dust. And as you can see here, it is a perfect fit. Also, be sure to stick around to the end of this video because there will be a giveaway, so you want to be sure to stick around to the very end for that. A few things about the 3-pack screen protector. It does include a premium oliphobic coating, so that means it's going to repel fingerprints, which is definitely a plus. It's also going to be able to repel water drops. This also makes the screen protector scratch resistant, so you won't have to worry about replacing the screen protector often. The screen protector is ultra clear, so you're not going to lose any of that beautiful image coming from your display. Because this is tempered glass, it feels like you are touching the glass on the display. As you can see here, the screen protector goes all the way to the edge of the bezel, so it covers the entire display portion all the way up to the bezel. This is going to make this screen protector 100% case friendly. This screen protector is going to work without bubbling up or peeling on pretty much any case you use. The easiest case to install is probably going to be the clear TPU case. And as you can see, the screen protector sits so far away from the lip of the case that it's not going to cause any issues. Even a tighter fitting case doesn't cause any issues with this screen protector. The minimalist case here is even a bit tighter. And once again, no issues whatsoever for the screen protector. And then finally, we've got the bumper case here, which would normally cause the most issues with screen protectors because it is such a tight fitting case. But in this case, it's not going to cause any issues. Next up, we have the 9H full coverage screen protector, and the most innovative thing about this screen protector, and something that I haven't seen in other screen protectors, is that it has this PET soft edge. Most screen protectors break first at the edge, so this is going to be a little more durable, a little more impact resistant because it does have that soft edge, and it's also going to cover the entire screen. This one will set you back $12.99, and it does only come with the single screen protector. I feel like it's going to do a better job of protecting the entire front display of your phone. So installation is identical to the other screen protector. You have your alignment tray here. You're going to clean up your screen and then take off the cover on the back and then simply align it and drop it into place. As you can see, this screen protector does go all the way to the edge of the glass, so it's going to give you full protection over the entire front of your iPhone XR. So next up, we'll test out the case fit. We've got the silicone case first, or the soft TPU case, and it's going to give us no issues. Next up, we have the crystal case. It's a harder TPU, and it's also not giving us any issues. If you do see a few bubbles there, those will work out over the next 24 hours. All right, next up we have the minimalist case. It's a little tighter of a fit. And we still don't have any lifting around the edges. The screen protector still seems to be holding on tightly. And then lastly, we have the hard bumper case. This generally would give us the most issues, but in this case, it's giving us no issues whatsoever. As you can see here, the edges are still not lifting even with this super tight case. Lastly, we have the 10H tempered screen protector. This is the most premium of Ranvu's screen protectors for the iPhone XR. This one's going to set you back $13.99, and it's only going to come with one screen protector. But what you get here is 6D full coverage, and this is dust proof. So a lot of screen protectors, you'll notice that the edges collect dust. That's not going to happen with this particular screen protector. This particular screen protector has more than 12 hours of tempering time versus the standard 6 hours of tempering time, which means it's going to be much more durable and less likely to break on the edges. Of course, the touchscreen remains super sensitive, and it's going to give you HD clarity. It's like you're not even using a screen at all. All right, as you can see here, this screen protector goes all the way to the edge of the phone, so it covers all the glass, protecting the entire front glass panel of your iPhone XR. As far as case compatibility is concerned, we'll go ahead and test all the cases. The slim TPU case fits with no issues whatsoever. The harder TPU case, once again, fits with no issues. Nothing is lifting here. All right, next up we have the minimalist super thin case here. And once again, it gives the screen protector no issues. It's not trying to peel up at all. And then lastly, we will try the bumper case, which is the tightest fitting case. And still, it's not giving us any issues whatsoever with the screen protector. If you're still with me, I'll go ahead and announce the giveaway. Ranvu's going to give away 10 of their 3-pack screen protectors. 5 winners will win the 9H Soft Edge screen protector, and 2 winners will win the 10H Diamond screen protector. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Big shout outs to Ranvu for sponsoring this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.